Today we're packing. Hello, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. This is the second video in my Puerto Rico series. I mean, it's kind of the third. I also have a short on unboxing my new BÉIS backpack that I'm using to fly to Puerto Rico. If this is the first video you're watching, next week, it's actually a week from today, the day I'm filming anyway, not uploading. I'm going on a 4-day trip to Puerto Rico with my partner and his family, and we're traveling personal item only. And I'm an overpacker. I have a whole video on how much of an overpacker I am, so I'm not gonna talk too much about that. But today I'm doing a test pack in my brand new backpack. It's the BÉIS Expandable backpack, which I'm hoping will be really good for me because I'm hoping what I can do is pack with it unexpanded and then expand it if I buy any souvenirs or anything like that to bring home. This is the bag. I love her so much already. Fun thing about me, I like pockets. I will buy a bag based on how many pockets it has. It's like some illusion of organization in my life. I read a thing about it. Yeah, doesn't matter. Anyway, she's got a lot of pockets and I'm really hoping she helps me stay organized. And yeah, I've got packing cubes put in her to keep her. I don't know why I keep calling it a her. I guess she's a her now. But she's a very gorgeous backpack. I'll do a video showing you all the features of the backpack and then we'll get into doing a test pack. So, this is my second full video on my trip to Puerto Rico. And if you want to see more about packing videos, what I'm bringing, the trip itself, I'm going to do like daily vlogs and things like that. And then after we come back, I'll do a bit of what I've learned, things I would do differently. So if you want to see more about that, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified every time I post a video. I have a lot planned for this trip, video-wise. So, is that better? I just turned a light on. I have a lot planned for this trip video-wise, so don't forget to subscribe to see all of those videos. I'm very excited. I've never been to Puerto Rico before. I've never been anywhere in that area, so I don't really know what to expect. The last time I went on a holiday like this, to somewhere that was like, you know, kind of tropical, something like that. I mean, I live in Australia, so disregarding that, but I feel like the last time I went on a holiday like this was when I was like 10 and we went to Gran Canaria before we moved to Australia. And I'm 25, so it was a while ago. But I'm very excited and yeah, let's test pack. Also, I'm test packing because I'm traveling personal item only. So I want to make sure I can fit everything and then have enough time to reassess what I'm actually taking based on this test pack. Because currently I feel like I'm going to overpack. See my first video, I'll link it here. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to overpack with everything I talk about bringing. Especially when I take into consideration bringing a camera and bringing like my tripod and things like that. And my GoPro and chargers for all those things. Definitely going to overpack. Okay, so let's get to test packing. Okay, to start off, this is the bag I'm taking. It's the BÉIS Expandable backpack. I've wanted this for a while and it finally came back in stock recently. So I'm very excited to have it. It's actually an early birthday present. So this is the inside. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. I already have a couple of things in the back there, so I'll remove those. This is the inside of the bag. There's lots of pockets. There's a pocket here, and then there's one further down as well. Ooh, there's one further down here. And this pocket here actually doubles as a drink holder. You can pull it out here through this zip and hold your water bottle. Then we've got this pocket at the front, a pocket behind it, a laptop pocket here. We also have the trusty sleeve to go on your suitcase. And of course, the other zip here is the expandable zip. It runs the whole way around. And I will show you that when I actually have stuff in it, because I tried to open it and it's kind of hard to show it fully. But yeah, this is the bag as it is. She's a gorgeous bag. She also comes in beige. Don't ask me about the stock at the moment because who knows. I also got these packing cubes because these are actually designed to fit in this bag. This is not, this is the big one. This one is the medium one and it does fit exactly in that bag very perfectly. There's also a smaller sized one. There's two of these. I don't know where the other one's gone. I've put it down somewhere. And then there's a waterproof bag, which I think I'll take with me because will be really good if we go swimming on the last day and my swimwear's still wet to bring back on the plane. I don't know why we keep unfocusing. I apologize. Yeah, so I think these will be really handy for those things. This will be really handy in the future for future travel. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Clothing wise, there's still a couple of items that are in the wash and I'll add to it. But currently this is the amount of clothing we're looking at and it's all gonna go in this. Let's see if we can do it. So I've been looking at a lot of Becca Packs videos because I really enjoy packing videos. And a lot of what she says is to make sure it fits the width. Like fold everything so it fits this width. So that's what we're gonna do. I think I may end up actually wearing those white shorts because I think they're gonna take up too much space in here. Do I think this is gonna close? The answer is no. There is also, as I said, still a couple of things to go in there. And the white set, I think, is what I'm gonna wear on the plane. So that obviously will not be in here. But I figured since I was missing my denim shorts, it would be a good replacement. Okay. Did you see that? There is still room in there. Like, here, I could definitely fit some more stuff. I didn't put my underwear in there. There is I'll show you. There's a pocket in this bag at the front here. I think I'm just gonna put my underwear in there. Look at that. It's not even very heavy. So that's just my clothes. That's not including anything else, and I'll get to that next. Based on this, I don't think I'm gonna have an issue with my clothes. Excuse the pile of clothes behind me. That's stuff that I was using to figure out what I'm gonna take. I'm gonna expand it and try and fit the rest of my stuff in. Although it's gonna be hard because obviously my camera I'm using to film this. But I'll try and fit the rest of my stuff in and see. But that's just my clothes, my underwear. My shoes are not in there. My shoes I'm worried about. I'm not sure I'm gonna fit my shoes. I'm only taking like 2 pairs of shoes, but I'm not sure they're gonna fit. So let's expand it. Okay, so when it's expanded, this is what we're looking at. Like, there is a whole other bag in here. Like, if I wanted more clothes, I definitely have room for another packing cube in there. Okay, this is obviously not my camera, but it is a case for it. So I'm just trying to feel out whether we can fit that in. Okay, that would definitely fit there. My iPad definitely fits in the back. Okay, I'm just going to use these to like simulate other things. These aren't my toiletries. I will do another video filling up my toiletries with these pouches I bought. But my toiletries will be about that size. Obviously they fit in. This is going to simulate my cables bag. That's not what it is at the moment, and I'm not opening this. But it'll do for the time being. Actually move that. This is thicker, so place that to the bottom. You can't tell it from there, but my GoPro isn't actually in here. Ooh, will I still get that zipped? Is the question. Wait, where is the zip? Is that it? Okay, that's fine, that's fine. This may seem a bit excessive to some people, but I am going to take my tripod. Just in case we want, like, good group pictures and things like that. It's slightly too long to put in like that. But if we slide it down the side, it'll be fine. Now, the real test. If we can fit a pair of shoes in here. Okay, there's one shoe. There's the other shoe. I think that would be everything. The question is, does it go up? That doesn't fit there, that's fine. Apart from that, that is a very fat bag. Now, this is the real question. Will they let me on with that as a personal item? It is just a backpack. I'm really questioning whether I'm going to get away with this as a personal item. If you've read my blog at all, you'll also know I always travel with my Lululemon Everywhere belt bag. Part of the reason I will wear a sweater is so that I can put that underneath it. The real question is this going to be enough? I think I'm overpacking. So I think I've come to the conclusion that I really am not a personal item only girl. I definitely pack too much. We have a week until we go, so I guess that gives me time to get that down enough to fit in that bag. But also, I'm questioning whether that bag full is gonna get away with being a personal item. I'm really worried it won't. I may have made a mistake. According to the dimensions on the BÉIS website, this does fit within the personal item dimensions for Frontier while it's expanded. I'm just a little worried. It's kind of part of the reason I haven't taken the tags off, because I'm worried that if it doesn't work, I'm just going to return it. As much as I love this bag and I've wanted this bag for a while, if this doesn't work, I want it as a personal item, so if I can't use it as a personal item, I'm just going to return it because it's of no use to me. I've seen other people take it as a personal item. But to me, this just feels too big. This looks too big. I'm worried that they'll say something. And I'll have to pay $60 odd that it costs. I don't know. My partner is arriving. Hi. I'm arriving Thursday night with most of my partner's family. Hello. You want to come say hi? I replaced my bag with a cat. Well, I'm arriving Thursday morning with most of my partner's family. He's actually not arriving until Thursday night because he's working Thursday. You gonna say hi? This is Minnie, everybody. So I can't even really, I mean, I can kind of use his bag if I need to add anything. I guess we'll see. I feel a little less positive about this situation than I did before I packed. Definitely feel a little less positive about the situation than I did before I packed. Yeah. You want to say hi?